Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to convert webpg. That means I can show you option. Go to my downloads. That you can see here web webp. Okay, webp image to png. Okay, that's very simple. Go to your Chrome or any search engine. Search there webp to png. Okay, then you can find out this website, cloud convert. Open that website. Okay, then you can see here there is an option for select file. You can also drag and drop. I'm dropping from downloads, so here is it, webp, drag and drop. Now it is here. Then close these things and you can select to do any kind of file format and select in png. Then click here convert and just wait for 2 to 3 seconds. And so simple, it is processing and it is converted. You can see here, click download and it is downloaded, and it is keep the transparency also. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.